Welcome back to another episode of I Have No Idea What's Going On With My Life. I'm your host, Damdaved, and today we got work to do. Roll that intro.
They call me yellow cause the paint is banana, the clip is banana, I'm going bananas. Look, boy, you a bitch. Get your funds together. Look at him. Didn't fuck with us when we was down. Now we coming up together. You can stay in the back cause all up on track, we running it up together. You said we would flop, now the gang at the top, and we don't give a fuck together.
We're going on a trip in the 426. It's the weekend. We got a lot of shit to do.
No coupe, take off, cause I know these niggas ain't gon' hand nothing. Ay, ay, baby, you wanna fuck with the boy for the one time.
Shout out to Renspec. I just pulled up over here. These guys are gonna be putting my Traction banner on. They're working on it right now. It's gonna be awesome. They do some rap and some other stuff. They just sponsored Traction, so we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff over here, hopefully. This is the banner right here. Look at this shit. Man, that looks fire. He got a Corvette over here. Pretty dope ass place.
Catch baby, better act right. Get the digits, hit it that night. And I shine like a star, he a flashlight. Keep my energy and cash right. I be turtlenecked up cause the ice on my collar got it freezing. It ain't even that season. You came with a lane, but you left with a winner, that's treason. But a good enough reason. Brand new denim, two-tone like I just went tanning. I know one that she examined. I'm at the steakhouse knowing damn well I only want salmon. She gon' spread it like cause you can't get it back. You should spend it how you want to. Tell that lame ass nigga that is dead for his ass.
Hey, remember, I responded to all of your damn comments, so, hey, remember, leave a comment. You good? You hit your head? You gotta know, you gotta have a strong ass neck in this car. Hey, sir, we got a problem, bro. This car is too fucking nice.
This bitch bad as hell.
Oh, hell no. Who we got in the back seat taking up my spot, boy? I was trying to get in here. Motherfucking reminiscing 392. What, you not feeling it today or what?
Nah.
God damn, it's Saturday morning. We gotta get going. Look at that. We gotta go to the dough. We gotta run to the bread. We gotta get the racks. We about to go in the Galleria right now. I can't actually vlog in there. You know, it's kind of difficult. So I'm not just gonna walk in there with my camera. I'll leave it in the car. I'll see y'all when I get out. We're gonna go get some shit. You gonna cash that hoe? Oh my God.
Favorite color, money green. Paper. I've been on my grind since I was in the 7th grade. Had my first kid, I was only 17.
We are doing another Traction night. Shit is crazy, man. It's getting super lit out here. We got the whole crew here tonight. I can't wait. It's gonna get huge. It's gonna be another movie. So let's get it.
That paper like a Michael Scott. Your boyfriend is why he want my spot. He always round a lot. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, 100,000 in the jeans. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind, 24 for 7 days. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. Get paid, yeah, yeah. Get the money, yeah. Get paid, little shorty, get paid.
Make sure y'all go to shoptraction.com and get some merch.
Yeah, get the money, yeah. Yeah, I just stack it up and save. Never be a day I blow 100 for a chain. No.
Hey, bring your ass.
I can make that back 100 ways.
How you doing tonight?
I'm running out, smile. Got these records pouring like some coffee where I run a line. There's no room left at the top. Bet I'll find a spot. Parallel the vision, got me spinning like a tire shot. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the jeans.
How you doing?
Little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind, 24 for 7 days. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. Get paid, yeah, yeah. Get the money, yeah. Get paid, little shorty, get paid.
We got Traction shirts on sale. $20. If you want a Traction shirt, as you can see, Damdaved is modeling it right now.
Paid, little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind, 24 for 7 days. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. Get paid, yeah, yeah. Get the money, yeah.
You about to hit that curve. Ah! That's why that got it close. Hey, I got that good balance. It's so deep around here. Look at, I mean, just look at this craziness. Oh my God. What's up, bro?
Hey, it took a lot.
Yes, sir.
It took a lot. Yeah, I know it. We still going. Pushing, though. We got some shit.
Oh shit, what's up? What's up, bro? Every time I turn on the camera, there is more people here. This is insane.
Yes, sir.
Hey man, shout your Instagram out.
You gonna show it too?
I'm gonna show it to y'all. That's his Instagram right there, man. I'm gonna plug it right here for you, buddy. Hey, it was nice meeting you, man. Hey, this is CJ, man. Y'all go follow him for real. Hey, y'all have a good night, man. Hell yeah. Man, that kid walked all the way across the meet to meet me, bro. I'm gonna start crying. That shit mean a lot to me.
Damn, that, you know Kobe, man. You know Kobe. What's happening, man?
Hey, man.
This is Damdaved.
How's it going, baby?
You see the car for the weekend?
Hell yeah.
The Supra? Isn't it?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Huh? Yeah.
Hey,
For the weekend.
y'all watch out, bro. I got with my new car, bro. Look at this Supra. This is Cars Across Texas, a new Supra. If y'all ever seen the inside of these things, look, the odometer got 233 miles on it.
That's so nice, bro.
This car is crazy, bro.
Bro, I like the seats, bro.
Look at this carbon fiber in the center.
Bro,
This don't even make sense.
bro, this is beautiful.
This is amazing. I like the color you picked too, because it's like a pearl white.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's like an off-white. Yeah, you get all the carbon fiber bits and everything right here.
Man, comment below, man. Would y'all rock a new Supra? Shit is fire. Whoa. Hey, I like all the pops. Low key though, it does kind of sound like
It sounds like a vacuum cleaner with a burble tune.
What's going on?
Hey, yo, we so lit, they called the fire truck power say.
How you doing? Come on. Hell no. Okay. Can't do that with the camera hand, man. What's up, man? What's up with it? How you doing tonight, bro? Mississippi! What's up, baby? How you doing? Say what's up to the channel, bro.
On the pavement with the people, goddammit. You see my boy out here. I'm trying to be like him. I'm wearing tight t-shirts now, man.
Hey, man, keep it tighter than my t-shirt. Like
Feel
the
what
great
I'm saying,
Mississippi.
baby? We out here. We at Shorttown Mall. We bullshit.
Oh. EXO. I can't make this up.
We never make it up.
They told us we wasn't gonna be shit since we were kids.
I told you we weren't gonna be nothing.
Hey, and now all that hate turned into envy, bro. Hey, what's up, bro? How you doing tonight?
You can't come through a traction meet if you ain't swinging, that's what I'm saying. Y'all better stop.
Soldier niggas go on a drill and you get shot, get on my shoulders, then I shoot that nigga pussy.
How you doing tonight, man?
I like your videos.
Thank you, man. What's your name?
Zayden.
Zayden, nice to meet you, Zayden. I'm David.
You're David.
Hey, man. Thank you for coming out here. Y'all have a good night. It's nice meeting y'all. We got to get out of here before it gets too crazy. Hey, this was another lit ass vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it, man. This is the craziest traction meet yet, and there's gonna just continue to be crazier ones because last one wasn't even this crazy. So we just keep going up over here. Hey, if you like what you saw, be sure to hit that motherfucking like button because damn, David, I don't know if by the time this video drops we're gonna be at 6K, but we're damn close on the channel. So I want to thank you guys. If y'all want to stick around the next crazy ass video, hit that subscribe button. I love y'all so much, man. Y'all are the best. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one. You think you know Damdaved? Y'all don't know a damn thing, y'all don't know me. I've been in the game, bitch, I'm an OG. Some of y'all hoes forget about me, but don't worry, I'll still be around when your bitch needs some fucking company. Swerving down the block in the 426, Yo girlie heard it purring and she blew me a kiss. She saw my foot sticking out the window, it was these fresh white kicks.